Alright, what's up YouTube? So I got my boots from Thursday, and let's check them out. So they dropped a new line of Chelsea boots, and boots in general. They also have jackets, which look awesome as well. I have to check those out. So I got the rugged boots in like a sand type color. And then I got the Cavalier boot. So this one is more of a dressier boot. I did size down. We'll see how they fit. Let's open them up. So you do get the packaging. Very nice. Thursday boot. Season 1. That's cool. These will be my dressier boots. Alright, so these are the Cavalier boots. Very nice. I like that they're tall. They add some height with the sole, with a little heel cup. You got the traction on the bottom. Thursday. And then leather inside. These are made in Spain. Alright, so these do look slim, tapered. They're not too wide. So what I like about these ones here is they are a good entry-level designer brand. They do have a Goodyear welt, as you can see all the way through. So it will help protect against water seepage and water getting through to your feet, as well as it does have a nice traction. They have their own handmade traction they make in-house, but this is very nice because they do have it's like a leather with rubber, so I think that's a really cool touch to it. So these are going to be good for walking around for sure. I'm going to be going to Europe in these, so it's going to be raining over there, so that protects against the water getting through. Also too, the bed is a corked bed, so that will protect against your feet or the shock absorb, so that would be great. As well as it's pretty thin profile. I do like this a lot. I was hesitant, but I did see the Alpha M channel. He did have these, and they did look pretty. Those are going to be like my everyday dress shoe or shoes in general, like my boots. And these are more for formal wear and my upcoming wedding. So I can't wait to wear these. These are the Cavalier boots, and they do, like I said, they're pretty thin profile, which I think is great. Their other boot, like I said before, was more chunky, kind of dad-like. These ones are very nice. So I'll get into these ones as well. These ones I'm very excited for. These are the Rogue boots. Alright, so here's the taupe color. I don't know why I thought this was a different color, but this is the one I ordered. I kind of freaked out for a minute. Yes, these are very nice. Again, they do have a slim profile compared to the Cavalier. I would say about the same. Maybe this one's a little bit slimmer. So that's always good. So we got the Thursday boot. These are made in Spain. And again, these are corked midsole. These ones do have a little bit bigger heel for sure. An extra maybe 1.5 inches. So that's going to be good on the height. Very slim and thin. Very nice. So these ones say that they're designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico. I thought they did say. So I think these ones are a little bit different. That's cool. I think these ones are made in Spain, I believe. Let's see. Oh no, sorry. Made in small batches. Made in Mexico, handcrafted in New York, I'm sure. Or handcrafted in Mexico. So these ones were designed in New York and made in Mexico, which is cool. These are very nice. I think I might have to pick up the cognac ones. These ones are the taupe. Very clean. I do love that right there. I'm gonna put these babies on, and yeah, let me know if you like these boots. Peace.